I've done something absolutely crazy. I've bought a T5.
Hello guys, welcome along to the channel. My name's Jack and this is just a quick introduction onto what the channel is, what I'm all about and what's going on. I'm going to start by apologising for this. I had a battle with a toaster, I got burnt, okay? That's all that's going on there. So, I'm Jack, 24, I'm from Manchester, England, and I'm currently in the process of building a T5 camper conversion, you could call it. Bit different to the normal conversion. I'm trying to keep this thing completely stealth. So, yeah, let's have a look around it. So yeah, looking around the van, it's in a semi-okay condition. As T5s go, it's looking alright. It's been painted in the grey colour you can see. Now, it has been multiple colours. It was white, then it was blue, now it's grey. Bit of a backstory behind this. I'll probably do another video about the history of the van. The back of it, as you can see from here, pretty much like a builder's van. So when I bought it, it was kind of converted. I'm going to put some pictures in just now. So yeah, that's what it looked like when I got it. Kind of a bit of a bench with a TV, bit strange. Ripped it all out. It had household insulation in, which was terrible. Ripped all that out, and all that's left now is the electrics, which I'm in the process of pulling out. I have bought a bed for the van. I've bought some things for it already. I've got a full electric conversion kit for it, ready to go. It's just a case of putting that stuff in and using the van. So my plan is to go and travel around the UK, some of Europe, and basically see the world. It's going to stay stealth. I want to be able to park this up anywhere. I want to be able to do, you know, go anywhere in it. If I'm feeling tired after a drive, I can just stop, park up and go to sleep in the back. I want it to just be stealth. No one knows I'm in there. Nice and easy. So yeah, I've already done some stuff in the van. I've put a Mark 5 GTI seat in. There's going to be a passenger seat going in as well. Just waiting for the base to come on that. We'll do a video on how that's done. There's some other stuff I've done to the van. I'll just show you around the interior quickly. So we've got the flat bottom steering wheel out of a new shape caddy. We've got some 3D printed cup holders, which are pretty cool. We'll show you how those are made. We've got a Pioneer heads unit there, which is Android Auto compatible and Apple CarPlay compatible. And then we're running the T5.1 facelift dash. I'm not so sure on this myself, to be honest with you. This is a conversion kit you can buy online. Not the best fitting thing in the world, but again, I'll show you how it all works and show you what's been done. Got a black roof liner up there. I've got a sun strip. As far as interior goes, that's pretty much all that's been done, and that's pretty much all that's been done on the van. So I'm going to do a few how-to videos, things like that, on how things have been done on the van. And then, big travel videos. Come with me on the journey. Let's see how this thing goes. I'm 24 years old converting a T5. It's crazy. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you could subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.